Let us see in this video how to update exchange rates. Updating exchange rate refers to the process of entering or modifying currency exchange rates in the ERP system. This ensures that all foreign currency transactions are calculated accurately based on the latest rates. Log in with the latest username and password to update the exchange rate. Click the Login button, then go to Financials, click Transaction, and select Party Document to navigate to the Update Exchange Rate screen. To add or update an exchange rate, click the Add button, choose the currency, and update the date and time. The exchange rate will be applied to transactions based on the selected date and time. Enter the Purchase-Import exchange rate. Based on this rate, the system will automatically calculate and reflect the exchange rate in the purchased transaction. Enter the Export Sales exchange rate. Based on this rate, the system will automatically calculate and reflect the exchange rate in the sales transaction. Click the Save button. The exchange rate will get updated. Thank you for watching this video.